What's up, guys? Alex Cave here, and I probably should have started this a little earlier, but I basically drove like an hour and a half from Miami to West Palm Beach. It's actually very cloudy today on this side. It's nice over there. And we're gonna be going to the beach, and I wanted to upload a prank every week, and I was actually planning on doing a really huge prank, but I guess I'm gonna postpone that till next weekend. And today at the beach, I'm actually gonna super glue a Powerade bottle closed and ask people to open it. So that was my last minute prank that I'm gonna do on the beach. I brought my GoPro, and I forgot my film camera, so I have to use my vlog camera to film my prank, and I'll use the GoPro on me maybe to get closer shots. So I'm probably not gonna be vlogging that much today. Alright guys, I'm here in Delray Beach, and unlike the beach, it's so much more empty. So what I actually realized is I left the house, and the prank I was gonna do here at the beach with this super glued bottle, I left it at home. So no prank. I'll do one probably tomorrow. I'll figure out a prank. Alright guys, I've been here for about 3 hours, and I did do a lot of stuff. I went surfing with this paddleboard, and which is really cool actually. Like way out there to the shore. And I'm basically doing nothing for the rest of the day, so short vlog today, but it's not like I have many viewers anyway. So there you go. Alright guys, till next time, peace. What's up guys, I'm here with my sister and her best friend. Hi guys. And
what's up?
We just watched Godzilla.